Okay guys, this is Boya Vlog Set. Right now I teach you how to assemble it. Very simple. Okay, you have this kind of 5 items, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, LED, microphone and something. And this one, let's open it. 3-month metal. Right here. I think it's very simple. Okay, like this, then click here. Okay, got it. And the LED with battery. Okay, that's perfect. And like this. And like maybe you start, you can just make it. This part you can make it up, like you see this one, you can make it up. You can adjust it. Okay, you can adjust this part. Okay, so like this. And the one, microphone, that's my phone, everything here. You got it. So you need to here first. Yeah, like this. And the cable, if for the phone you need this one cable also. The is right down your smartphone. Okay, you got it. And this one for the microphone, and this one for smartphone. So okay, very simple, like this. Okay. So when you do everything down, then you put your phone on it. Okay, not put your phone first. No, this is last one to put your cell phone on it, and like this, and yeah. So you have some idea. Okay, thank you guys.